Hey everyone, before you spend a penny on either of these, watch this comparison because the real value only becomes clear right at the end.
Today, you're going to learn the complete difference between DoliCloud and Odoo Online, two cloud-based ERP platforms designed to help modern businesses streamline operations, simplify daily tasks, and bring all of their processes together in one system. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which platform is better suited to your workflow, your team size, and your long-term growth plans. Whether you run a small company that needs something reliable and easy to understand, or you're part of a growing team looking for advanced features and automation, this comparison will give you the clarity you need. Let's start with pricing, beginning with DoliCloud. DoliCloud offers two hosted plans for Dolibarr ERP and CRM, and although the prices are listed in euros, the service is fully available to businesses in the United States. Because DoliCloud is operated by a French company and hosted in Europe, billing is done in euros by default, but US customers can subscribe normally, and payment is automatically converted by your bank or card provider. The first plan is Dolibarr Basic, costing 14 euros per month per user. It includes access to all Dolibarr modules, 4 gigabytes of storage, 2,000 API calls per month, email sending up to 250 messages per day, community support, data backups, and full availability from any browser or operating system. The second option is Dolibarr Premium, costing 30 euros plus 15 euros per additional user per month. This plan raises storage to 20 gigabytes, expands API capacity to 20,000 calls, unlocks priority support, long-term maintenance for up to 10 years, unlimited email sending when using your own SMTP provider, and options like scheduled tasks every 30 minutes and remote access tools. Both plans give you the complete Dolibarr ERP suite with no module restrictions, making the pricing simple and predictable. Now let's compare this to Odoo Online pricing. Odoo offers a one-app free plan that costs $0 per month for unlimited users, as long as your business uses only one Odoo application. Once you need a second app, you move to a paid tier. The standard plan costs $7.25 per user per month and includes access to the full suite of Odoo Online apps such as CRM, invoicing, sales, inventory, accounting, HR, marketing, and more. If your business requires multi-company support, external API access, or custom modules, then the custom plan at $10.90 per user per month is required. While Odoo can start extremely affordable, the cost increases quickly as you add more users and more apps, making long-term pricing dependent on the scale of your business. Now let's walk through the features of DoliCloud. DoliCloud provides a complete hosted version of Dolibarr, which is known for being modular, simple to understand, and highly efficient. With Dolibarr, you can enable CRM tools, invoicing, supplier management, proposals, contracts, project management, time tracking, warehouse and inventory, POS features, manufacturing processes, HR basics, bookkeeping options, bank reconciliation, and many additional modules. Each feature can be activated or disabled based on your needs, giving you full control without unnecessary clutter. The interface is clean, lightweight, and designed so small businesses can get started quickly without complicated onboarding. DoliCloud handles backups, updates, uptime, and server management, meaning you don't need technical expertise to run an ERP system reliably. You also get API access, scheduled tasks, and optional extensions, making it flexible for companies with specific requirements. Now let's look at the pros and cons of DoliCloud. On the positive side, the pricing is predictable and includes all modules with no hidden upgrade fees. The interface is simple and easy to learn, making it ideal for small teams. Daily backups, long-term support, and secure hosting add strong reliability. Because Dolibarr is open source, businesses can customize it or add community modules when needed. However, there are limitations. The interface, while functional, is not as modern or polished as larger SaaS products. Automation options are more limited, and some advanced workflows require technical knowledge. The ecosystem of third-party apps is smaller than Odoo's, so businesses needing deep integration or highly specialized features may find DoliCloud more basic. Next, let's explore the features of Odoo Online. Odoo is known for having one of the largest and most flexible business ecosystems in the world. Every Odoo app integrates smoothly with every other app, covering CRM, sales, invoicing, full accounting, marketing automation, website building, e-commerce, subscriptions, POS, inventory, purchasing, manufacturing, HR, payroll, help desk, and far more. The interface is polished, modern, and designed to simplify navigation. Odoo also provides powerful automation tools and customizable dashboards that give you deep visibility into your operations. With Odoo Studio, you can even create custom apps without writing code. For rapidly growing companies, this level of scalability and flexibility is a major advantage. Now, the pros and cons of Odoo. On the positive side, Odoo offers exceptional flexibility, a massive ecosystem, and a visually impressive interface. Automation saves time, and the integration between apps is seamless. Scalability makes it ideal for medium to large businesses or fast-growing startups. However, the cost rises quickly as you add more users and more modules. Some advanced capabilities require the custom plan. For beginners, the system can feel overwhelming due to its many configuration options. And because Odoo Online is not open source, some customizations are limited unless you switch to a self-hosted version. Let's look at ratings. Odoo has official reviews on major platforms, consistently earning around 4.1 stars on G2 and between 4.1 and 4.3 stars on Capterra. Users praise its interface, extensive features, and automation capabilities. Common criticisms involve pricing complexity and the learning curve. DoliCloud does not have official listings on G2 or Capterra because it is a hosting service rather than standalone software. Dolibarr ERP, however, is widely praised within open source communities for being simple, stable, and easy to use. Although there are no major star ratings, community sentiment is strongly positive. So here is the final takeaway. Choose DoliCloud if you want affordability, predictable pricing, and a simple, reliable ERP system that covers everything small and mid-sized businesses need without unnecessary complexity. Choose Odoo if you want a modern interface, advanced automation, app scalability, and a system that grows with your company, even if it comes with a higher long-term cost. Both platforms are powerful, but they serve different kinds of users. If this comparison helped you understand which one fits your business, let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss future tutorials.